Hello, today is March 26, 2014, and again the voice you hear isn't mine. The voice doctor says it could be several months before mine returns. Today, because of the awkward logistics, will be mostly housekeeping. I don't do computer anymore, haven't for years. A 12-year-old 6th grader is my savior. He posts the videos on YouTube and prints your comments for me. My thanks to everyone. Recently, several people with great excitement suggested I should monetize Ray's World MV, and after explaining to me what that means, were puzzled when I declined. I declined for all the reasons that are plenty transparent in Marino, Moses and Manifest Destiny, posted on Ray World MV a few weeks ago. Speaking of which, those of you who have already received your free hard copy through the offer in the last video, and those who have read it on the Ray's World MV in the video out in the open and cut to the chase, should understand about the more money gambit. Now, some of you have inquired about which books have helped guide me all along the path. Here I have to be honest, and I tell you I'm very tired and don't have sufficient energy for a commentary. So I simply say that after the Bible, I consider 3 authors to have made outstanding impressions on my mind. A.J. Krishnamurti, Ernest Holmes, Emmett Fox, Matthew Fox, Stephanie Mills, Alvin M. Josephi Jr., William Griffin Wilson, Rich Wanschneider, and Marco Margolin. An incomplete list, to be sure, but right now it's the best I can do. But in closing, I will confide this on time, that on my nightstand beside my bed is this book. I find much comfort in reading it just before switching off the light into the rest of the time, simply by its presence there. 365 Tao Daily Meditations by Deng Ming Dao, Harper One Publishing, copyright 1992. Thank you. I almost forgot. Someone asked me, Marino, Moses and Manifest Destiny can be read online. Yes, it can. One of the comments, I forgot on which video, was a link for a blog, Ray on the Beam blogs.com. But that is the original 2009 edition, without the 2 additional pages in the 2012 edition, in the more recent video. Out in the open and cut to the chase, which is easy to read if the screen image is enlarged. But for myself, I'm old-fashioned and still prefer a hard copy. I'll probably croak soon, so I have advised my family to have onto their hand copier in case they become a collection item. That's all for now. Goodbye. Ciao.